We are in the store right now. It's Save-A-Lot and the clouds are bad. We have severe weather. Do you see that? Yes. Look at that. Oh my God. I don't know if we're having a tornado or what. I just know we just had severe weather. And I'm at Save-A-Lot right now. Oh, I thought that was the tornado right there, but there's smoke coming from out the building. I'm getting really scared right now. Mine look bad out there. Oh, look. Look over there.
Ooh, it looks bad.
It look like a tornado.
So you don't want to go to Penguin?
No, I'm scared right now. I just want to go to the Midfield tornado shelter.
Well, I need to go to the liquor store.
No, we gonna die. We gonna die.
Shut up.
We gonna die in a rotating storm.
It'll be terrible before a tornado comes and Grandma in that wheelchair stuck in the room.
It looks bad. It look like one else coming though. See?
Our phone ain't buzzed. You know, usually when we have a weather alert like that, the phone will start buzzing. We got a whole lot of food for cheap. That's big. $125. And I got how many stamps left? $122 left. Look at all this food.
Yeah, but I'm real scared.
And I bet you would.
Mom, see the clouds moving fast.
Our phone not buzzing.
Well, if your phone buzzing, that means one is coming and one is coming.
You better not touch my sneaker motherfucking ice cream at home.
Okay. I think that's it right there. See, ain't nobody even here for real.
Can you go put the basket over there?
Okay.
There you go. Behind you. Where's my phone? Where's my purse? I'm so tired. Hello?
Very scared right now. People, I don't know. I'm just scared. See, everybody is leaving because of this weather. See,
They're not gonna stop till 4 in the morning.
Oh my God.
Yeah. We got a flash flood watch and a thunderstorm watch.
And that's our windshield wipers.
Some tabs. Yeah, let me call to see he still got some. He said he finna get some. I'm gonna call you. What how many you trying to get?
Oh my God.
Okay. Let me call you. I'm gonna call you back. Need to go to the liquor store.
I'm scared now.
Do I go to the liquor store or him?
Oh my God.
Shut up.
Mom, look, it's black over there by our house.
Oh my.
Yeah, but
What did she say get from her from the store?
tomatoes. Fine, we go get the tomatoes and get out of here and go to the shelter.
What you need tomatoes for?
I don't know.
We'll get them tomorrow. She ain't gonna make no sense. Is she?
I don't know.
Too bad. She'll wait tomorrow. Bitch, don't you hit me! Bitch!
Bro, this bad.
What the fuck you doing in the road with no brown?
This bad. Look at that. I'm scared now. Big time.
Everybody looks supposed to see you talking about your mama. But everybody here.
So, this look bad though. I'm scared.
Look at everybody here. It's a party.
It's crowded. Ow!
I'm sorry. Ow, you bet. Yeah.
Stop!
You better not hit me, motherfucking back.
I didn't mean to.
Girl, I'll kill you.
That hurt. Thank you, Lord, we got a perfect spot. Look at them clouds. You go in the stove, then.
I ain't going no damn people with me. Get no goddamn tomatoes.
Well, all I know is that I'm scared.
Yeah, stay right here. I'll leave men in my face and I'm toe down today. Whatever.
I guess they had they like ladies then. Okay, so by the way, my name is Kenya Safford. I'm the one who made this video. I'm very scared right now. We are live. We are live in Midfield, Alabama right now, which I'm very scared because I think they said we got a thunderstorm, right? So I'm just gonna do my phone like this now. So. Okay, so now I'm very scared because the news said we have a severe thunderstorm watch, which I hope is not gonna be a tornado. I just hope it's like gonna be a very, very bad thunderstorm, because if it is a tornado, I should have had my plans done. And we don't have a basement, so that's even worse. And my house is like all the way over there, but not far enough. And by the way, if you do saying, well, we're in Fairfield, Alabama right now, so That's the old Walmart that had closed Walmart down. Yeah, but I'm very scared. Like, for real. Yes, I do go to Relish Middle School. By the way, I'm in 5th grade. And some of my friends might be watching this video soon, or... Oh, my God. Is that it? Is that it right there? That might not be it. Hold on there. Is this it? Behind Walmart. Cause I'm very scared, cause I know it's not a tornado, cause if it was, I would have got the signal on my phone by now. I think the news doesn't even know yet, and my mom had left her phone in the car, cause I'm in the car. I just know I'm very scared right now.
Tuesday, March 1st, 2016, to vote to keep Judge Elizabeth French as your circuit court judge.
And today might be my last time alive. Well, here comes my mom at the store. Okay, here we go now, cause now I'm scared.
What you scared of?
Tornadoes! One almost hit our house on Christmas.
I still need to stop and get some bill.
Well, get some bill, and then we go
I ain't
home.
gonna get about 2 or 3, because I got 3 at home. But see, that way I ain't got to go out the house for nothing.
Yeah, we finna go. Oh my God. Well, I guess I'll eat me a Snicker bar to calm me down. Oh, the clouds that moved away. But I'm still scared. Can my clouds over here now?
I don't want to take it.